Everything you have lost.
क्या बात है. That means I should use your beep sound.
Yes.
Cradle. A small baby is born. See here, it is a flu. So here is. You can just watch out, my dear friends. This type of decorations, it is made here. So it's completely wonderful here, beautiful.
Enjoy together.
Yeah.
So every year, like this is a heaven actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
What a beautiful name that you are giving
Yes.
for this MG Road as a heaven.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. So you can just watch out like this. It's a wonderful architecture here. Wow. Just look at it. You'll just feel like you are.
So this is the posh area, like shopping and big hotels are there.
Okay.
And we can enjoy here. Yeah. And also some people will come, like-minded people. All youths come, na.
All youths will come.
All youths will come.
Okay.
So they
To
can
enjoy and to dance.
Yes.
Yeah.
They can
Blossom Book House. Here, what is your experience?
Yeah, it's very traffic here.
Yeah, traffic is there. And other than that,
Other than
just watch out here. Jesus Christ, idol. And Navinji, can you please tell us your experience about the MG Road?
the road means like Mahatma Gandhi road.
That
We are searching for local dishes like in Bangalore,
Yes.
rice bath and Madhu Roda. It's very tasty here. Also,
yes, friends, you just
with you, along with you people.
yeah, along with us it is
Yeah,
first time.
yeah.
Previously with whom?
No. With nobody. So we are entering now church. So
Yeah, some people will be there who will not be able to open up
Yes.
and they can tell
We can
the
enjoy
previous
some-
histories.
yeah.
डांस करना चाहते हो?
आप ले चलोगे जहाँ हम वहाँ जाने के लिए रेडी, आप ले तो चलो.
June 19. Yes, all my dear viewers, once again welcome back for all of you. So today we are going to one more important place. So as today it is a Christmas day, so we are going. Of course, we are not going to celebrate Christmas, but yes, of course, we are going to visit those places where this Christmas is going to be celebrated. So let us enjoy there and let us look at that how it will be. And all our other friends are also joining us. So you can just watch out here. My important friend Abhimanyu Bhai, he is here with us, and another two brothers are also with us. So yes, let us go in our metro once again and let's see how it will be. And I will show you each and every thing there, what is going to happen, and how we are going to enjoy. And you also, whenever you would like to have to enjoy and you would like to visit Bengaluru, so on that day particularly, you can visit these places. Thank you. Yes, dear friends, you can just watch out here. All our team members, they are with us. So two here and two people are here. And now here once again we are into a metro station, and now we are going towards those places where Christmas is being celebrated. So now we are here to take the tickets. So let us check it out and let's go ahead. Now friends, you can just watch out here. All our friends, they are looking in the mirror and they are making themselves. Yeah, we are excited now. And here is the metro station. In metro train came now. We are going. Friends, now here we are very much excited because it was a really wonderful journey for us. So now here we are out in Mahatma Gandhi Road, which is popularly known as MG Road. So yes, now we are coming out from the metro station and we are heading towards our spots today night. We are going to enjoy here. So you can watch out all our teammates. So they are coming back also, and I will wear the mask because it is compulsory. We have to take care of our health also, and we are also the responsible citizens of this country. So yeah, come on, we will go ahead. Stay tuned. So now here we all are passing through this metro station, and we are going to reach our spots. So yeah, stay tuned now. And now here, friends, you can just watch out. We are in MG Road, Bangalore. So you can just watch out these shops beside me. So I will just show you people. So you can just see here. It is a flu. So here is some sort of celebration is going on. So, and also you can just watch out this type of buildings in Bangalore, which is popularly we can call it as, this is the foreign country which is located in Bangalore, I think. So many people here with a fully Western culture and foreign culture. But yes, of course, we have to enjoy everything. So it should not be like this, if you are a spiritual person, that you are going to only spiritual spots. You have to enjoy all the spots with the spiritual ideas. And here now I am in front of this building. You can just watch out. So it's a Blossom Book House. So yeah, let us go like this only, and you can just see here the celebration for Christmas. It is going on, and all our friends, they are backside, I think. So they are not yet coming, so they missed me, or I think I missed them. But you can just see, watch out here, one more there is a shop, so Wolfish. So really I'm feeling very excited and very happy here. So by watching out this type of environment here in Bengaluru, and of course you people must have to visit here whenever you get a time, so that you can enjoy a lot here. Okay, let's see more destinations where we are going and how we can enjoy here. Yeah. And I think I have to take that stick also, yeah, for recording. Is it okay if I record in this also? Huh?
You have long hair now. Everything you have long.
क्या बात है? That means I should use your beep sound.
Yes. What do we need?
डांस करना चाहते हो?
आप ले चलोगे जहाँ हम वहाँ जाने के लिए रेडी। आप ले तो चलो।
जून 99
आप ले तो चलो। हम
ले सकते। And friends, just you can just watch out here. So many big buildings and showrooms and many other hotels, big hotels, restaurants. Yeah, it's really wonderful, and we all are enjoying very much. You can just watch out. Friends, now you can just watch out how much traffic it is here in Bengaluru, and here now we are in front of this Sir M. Vishwesvaraya GIS substation, Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation. And also you can just watch out our team members here standing to cross the road, but it is not possible for us to cross the road since from 2-3 minutes. And also you can just watch out the big church here behind me, and also there is a big institution, Saint Joseph Institutions. So educational institution is there, and yeah, it's really wonderful. And you can just see here our Shailesh Devji. So yes, friends, you can just watch out here. Our Shailesh Dev is with us. So now, please, can you explain what did you experience here? What is your experience?
Yeah, it's very traffic here.
Yeah, traffic is there, and other than that,
we are searching for local dishes like in Bangalore,
Yes.
rice bath and Madura. It's very tasty here. Also,
yes, friends, you just
Yeah,
watch out
because-
here. Our
Yeah.
one more person, Naveen ji.
Yeah.
So he's your mate here. Please come here side.
Yeah, of course.
Come this side.
Of course, yeah.
And so please tell us how you are experiencing here.
Yeah,
in
it's
this good
very nice.
MG road.
Actually, this is the first time for me
Yeah.
with you, along with you people.
Yeah, along with us it is
Yeah,
first
yeah,
time.
yeah.
Previously with whom?
No. With nobody. So we are entering now church. So
Yeah, some people will be there who will not be able to open up,
Yes, yes.
and they can tell
We can
the
enjoy.
previous histories.
yeah.
And now here we are in front of a church, I think, right?
Yes, yes.
It's a church.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Saint Patrick's Church.
Yeah.
We can go
Okay.
inside.
Yeah, we can go. While coming, we can go.
And we have to pray also today.
Of course.
Yeah. And Naveen ji, can you please tell us your experience about the MG Road?
The road means like Mahatma Gandhi road.
That everybody knows. All the viewers knows that it is a Mahatma Gandhi Road.
Yeah.
But why all the people at the time of Christmas, or it may be a New Year?
Yes, of course.
Why all the youngsters usually they will get
this is the
attracted?
hotspot of Bangalore.
Okay.
So for youths, okay.
Okay.
So then we will come for get together.
Yeah.
They will meet new people and they can enjoy.
Oh.
And from beginning, MG Road is very famous in Bangalore. Not only in Bangalore, all over Karnataka, all over world maybe. Because
Yes, of course. All our viewers, they know about the MG Road. They have listened to this name.
Yeah.
But I would like to ask you, what is that much of popular? Why it is popular this much?
Because this is the posh area, like shopping and big hotels are there.
Okay.
And we can enjoy here. Yeah. And also some people will come, like-minded people, all youths come na.
All youths will come.
All youths will come.
Okay.
So they
To
can
enjoy and to dance. Yeah.
They can enjoy together.
Yeah.
So every year, like this is a heaven actually.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
What a beautiful name that you are giving
Yes.
for this MG Road as a heaven.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Actually, this is the like. Oh, some program is going on. You can see
Some program where?
the center
Friends, you can just watch out here. We are inside a church, and also there is an institution. There is an institution, good institution. It is Saint Patrick's Educational Institutions, and here it is a good church is also available here. And all the police are standing here. So for night protection, I think. But we have to pray, I think, yeah. We have to go to pray.
Take photo, man.
Yeah, of course. You can just watch out, my dear friends. This type of decorations, it is made here. So it's completely wonderful here, beautiful. And just I'm going here. For to us a child is born, to us a son is given. So here you can just check out the complete life history of Jesus Christ, Jesus. So you can just watch out here. It's really a wonderful art, my dear friends. And here you can just watch out here in the cradle. A small baby is born. this. It's a wonderful architecture here. Wow, wow, wow. Just look at it. Just look at it. You'll just feel like you are inside some of the village itself, right? So now after this I'm going towards I'm searching my friends. Yeah, they are here itself, and I'm just watching here near the church. I'm outside the church, St. Peter's Church. It is closed now, as he told. So you can just observe this, my dear friends. You can just observe this decoration. And here my friend, he's taking the photograph, and our one more person is taking the photo. Friends, you can just watch out here, Jesus Christ idol. So exactly in front of this church. So you can just watch out here. Jesus Christ idol is here. It's a really beautiful place. You have to visit whenever you come here to the Bangalore. बोलो क्यों? And here, my dear friends, we have completed our journey. So yes, friends, today we have completed our journey. So it was really wonderful, fabulous, and we are reaching out once again our homes. So yes, I hope you people also have enjoyed a lot with this video. I'm going to conclude here, and we will meet once again in our next journey with the next vlog. So till that, take care, have a wonderful life, enjoy each and every single moment of your life, because it's only one life. You are never going to get it back once again. So thank you.